So please, before you go, I want you to actually subscribe if you are new to this channel, and like, also share this video. Now we'll be analyzing our CADJPY. Let's start from our daily time frame now. As you can see, our CAD has actually been going bullish because our JPY has actually been falling. So yesterday we actually had a fall because our JPY went bullish. Definitely today too we are going to be having a fall. At least to 100 pips, we should be able to have a fall at least 100 pips. Let's say to this my area, which is 104.324, at least to this my area, which is 104.305. Let me mark it for you so you'll be able to get it. As you can see, 104 at least to this our 104.3 something. So that's exactly where we want to be having a drop on our CADJPY. As you can see, our JPY index is now pushing us, giving us like something like a retracement. Since we'll be having a fall, we would want to start going bullish to give us a retracement if you understand your trend line. So now, since our JPY will be going bullish, any pair related to our JPY should actually be falling. So we are going to be seeing it on our CADJPY. We will be having a fall. Same thing with our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, our price is now actually falling. We are actually now on a downtrend on our CADJPY. Today too would be having a downtrend. Our CAD will actually be falling. And now on our 1-hour time frame, as we can see break of structure downward. We can see price has actually been going down. We've got a retracement. We've actually had a fall, we've had a retracement, we've had another fall, and we've so on. So we're going down. So above all, today our CAD will actually be going bearish. So let's take a sell on our CADJPY.